there's not much to talk about, so I'm just going to yammer on like a fool. Let's invent a story, shall we? The story of the young boy who was called Construction Prepare to Stop Sign Boy. He led a very boring life, doing construction-y things. Thank you. Good sir. He got waves from motorcyclists. Oh. Then he jizzed his pants because that power band. Oh. Oh. Can really feel my back grapes. My back grapes. My metal rapers. They're my speed rapers. I've got my twin front speed rapers and my rear speed raper. My rear speed raper is really grabby. He's a dirty boy. I grab him, I can feel my whole bike go, ho-chong, 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 ho-chong. Let's get our knee down. Bugs in your face. I think I drooled on my microphone windsock. I'm a drooly human. Oh. Not even. Not even. Around the world. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. I want to be a good rider. Come on, man, I've only been riding for 2 months. I want to be the best. I want to be a MotoGP. Bikes are scary when you don't ride them. You're like, ooh, bikes are scary. I'm never gonna ride a motorcycle. Well, that was not my case. My case was, oh cool, I sat on a motorcycle. This is fun, I'm buying one. Never even thought about it once. Not even once did I think about buying a motorcycle. My whole life, and then it happened in like a week, something clicked, and I was like, I gotta. So that happened. But when I talk to a lot of people, when I talk to a lot of people, they're like, oh, motorcycles, that's scary. Well, not really. You may think so. God. I want torque. I want... I guess that's why guys get leader bikes. Because you got that torque down here. It's fun having power up top, but I want that, oh, that surge going slow. Ah, the tale of caution, prepare to stop, sign boy. Again. We meet again. He got a friendly wave from a stranger on a purple motorcycle. He thinks this kid is on crack. It's slightly raining. Who would be on their motorcycle at this hour? I, said the purple motorcycle boy to caution, slow down, sign boy. I am the waver of this hour. And you, good sir, are keeping streets safe from goons like me. Goonie! You want to feed a little Goonie pigeon? Woohoo! Goonie! Slow as you can. As slow as humanly possible. Tensions are high in this race. Tofu versus rocks and the air. I'm slower than you rocks. I'm slower than you air. You'll never destroy me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, slow speed. What about the full tuck? Oh god, I can't do the full tuck. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. That was fun. Oh. Hachoo.